My name is Mike Zarek. I'm an extension specialist at the University of Georgia. My job essentially is to conduct field research that will help growers solve the problems that they're having today, as well as to conduct educational programs for our growers in the area of poultry house, environmental control, and energy conservation. Today we're on a six-house broiler farm up near Alberton, Georgia. And this is one of our study farms. We probably have about a dozen different study farms. And on this study farm, we're basically looking at evaporative cooling systems, pads, differences in evaporative cooling systems, really pertaining to places that have really bad water quality. And that's one of the challenges with this farm. This has a very high mineral content in the water, which presents a lot of problems when it comes to keeping our pads clean and making it easy to bring air through them. On this test farm, the houses are 50 by 500 foot houses. They have an airspeed of around 700 feet per minute. We have a variety of different cool cells systems on this farm. And we have a couple different types of pads. We have two different types of plastic pads and one paper pad on this farm. We chose this farm because, again, it has really bad water quality. Such bad water quality and such that the pads need to be replaced about every 7 years due to mineral buildup. The mineral builds up to the point where the pads are just basically become a solid sheet of stone, making it virtually impossible to pull air through it. So this is about as bad as it gets. And what we're looking at this farm is what can we do in terms of different types of cool cells and different types of pad material, or even different water treatments that we could do to minimize the buildup of mineral on these pads. Because if we can solve the problem on this farm, then people that have just a minor mineral buildup problem, they will be easy to fix those farms. So it's, again, you want to test on the worst case scenario. And this farm right here probably has some of the highest mineral content in the entire state of Georgia.